I'm posting today because I got this box of free makeup. I literally have 10 subscribers on YouTube and I got free makeup. So I wanted to share with you how I did this, and hopefully, if you're watching this, you have more subscribers than me, and I'm sure that will intensify your chances of getting this free makeup if I can do it. Keep watching if you want to learn about how I did this, and also hit that subscribe button if you aren't already, because your girl is trying to make it to 20 subscribers. Yeah! Alright, I'll stop being embarrassing. Have fun watching. I tried for the longest time to figure out, like, okay, how did all these like crazy YouTubers get to where they're at? Like, they get free makeup sent to them. Why are they getting so much makeup for free? And like, obviously it's because of their following and whatnot, and like brands know that if they reach out to these influencers, like they can get a lot of exposure. But I was like, okay, but they had to start somewhere. Like, everyone started with at least one follower, and like that's how they made it to all these millions of people that are subscribed to them. So like, how did they start off? So I was like looking and looking for the longest time. I was like, okay, there has to be like some start off point. And I was like on YouTube, like, how do small YouTubers get free makeup and like all this stuff. And it was really hard to find stuff because everything is like, okay, like here's this great website, like they'll send you free makeup, but you have to have like at least 1,000 subscribers. And I'm like, bitch, I got 10 subscribers. Like, where am I getting these thousands of people? I have 10 people watching me. Like, I'm not that important, but I want to have free makeup like the rest of these people. So how do I do this? So I signed up for this website, completely free. I would share it because hopefully someone out there, if they find this video, like they can get free makeup too. But the website is called Influencer, and it's basically like this website. You do like reviews for all these different products, and it's not just makeup. Like, I literally spent like hours doing reviews on like alcohol. I was just trying to get this free makeup. And so I did that, and like I did it for a little bit, and I was like, okay, this is stupid. Like, I am literally like doing these stupid reviews and nothing's happening, and like, what is happening? Okay, so flash forward like 2 months, I get this email, and it's like, we want to send you free makeup. Like, take this survey, and we'll send you free makeup. So it was for Laura Mercier, and it was basically just like, what is your skin type? Like, and I have really dry skin, so I picked my skin type, and then it was like, out of these like 50 shades, what is your skin color? So I picked a couple of those, and so I just kind of went through that, and then all of a sudden I got an email like 10 days later, and it was like, your package is on its way. And I was like, what? What's happening? So I'm like, no, this is like a scam. They're just trying to do, like, get me hyped to keep filling out these surveys. They're gonna send me these emails saying that I'm getting free makeup. 10 days later, I get this box in the mail, and it says Laura Mercier on the top, and the back says Influencer, this website. And it was a lot prettier. I took the stuff out, but it's basically like this little compact box, and I got this, and I was like, okay, I didn't order any makeup online, like what is this? And then I saw like the Influencer on the front, and I was like, what? So I opened it up, and I already took the stuff out, but it basically is like this little lady right here, and I was like, what? This is so legit. Like, this is like, I was like, I feel like so fancy. This is like a PR package, but like not really, but I'm gonna pretend like it is. And it had like tissue paper in it, and had like a little instruction thing about their new Flawless Fusion Ultra Longwear Concealer. I literally got products. Like, I literally got free makeup. Like I said earlier, like I picked out all the shades that like might fit my skin type, so I have no idea. I haven't used this yet. I have no idea if this is like my shade or anything. I don't know if this is a sample type, but like that's a lot of products. Like right now I'm using the Maybelline Super Stay Full Coverage 24-hour foundation, 1 fluid ounce. Let's see, does it say? And this is also 1 fluid ounce. So this is literally the same amount of product. So this cannot be a sample. Like, this has to be, maybe it isn't, I don't know. But this is a lot of product to me. And like I said, I've never opened it. So I got this in that box. And then I also got the Laura Mercier Flawless Fusion Ultra Longwear Concealer. Like, but this cannot be a sample. This has to be the real thing. And I don't know, maybe it's not, maybe it's just a really generous sample, but that's insane. And then I got a third thing, like literally what is happening? I got their like translucent powder that literally everyone on YouTube is using, the Laura Mercier translucent powder. I was gonna buy it, but I mean, I don't just have like 40 bucks to spend on a setting powder. Like what, right now I'm like currently am using the Rimmel London Stay Matte Lightweight Mattifying Translucent Powder, and this is literally like $5 at Walmart. That is the extent of my budget. Like I do not have all this money to just like spend on this like really nice shit that I'm getting sent, that I got sent in the mail. So I'm literally like shook, like what, how did this happen? So I needed to film this video because I need to show you guys that like I literally got free makeup. I have fucking 10 subscribers right now on YouTube, like hey 10 people. But the thing is that they like send you these products based on like how big of a following you have. So I also connected my Instagram, which I think I have maybe like 1,000 people following me on Instagram, but like that's not, I'm not like Instagram famous, like, and I am an average person, and I got this free makeup. So I'll stop rambling on about how I got this free makeup, and I will just get right into it for you guys, as all the beauty gurus say. So I didn't even really realize that Laura Mercier had foundation. I just thought it was the translucent setting powder. Oh, cool. This is like a little pump thing. I guess I'll test it out. Yeah, this is brand new. Like I've never opened this. Hello? Oh god, came out really fast. Ooh, that looks a little bit dark for my skin tone, but we'll see. It's got like yellow undertones. I kind of have yellow undertones, right? How do you even know? I don't know. I'm just guessing. But this is what it looks like. It's kind of watery, but not too bad. So I have this beauty blender that I got at Walmart for $2 because I don't have $20 to spend on a freaking good ass beauty blender. So this is my Walmart beauty blender. Let's just see. I don't have anything on my face, by the way. I just have lotion. I have like this Jergens moisturizing lotion because like I said, my skin is really dry. So I'm kind of nervous, but let's just see. I feel like that didn't really do anything. Maybe I'm not putting enough on. I don't think I'm putting enough on. Oh wow, you really need like a lot, I feel like. Maybe I'm just doing this wrong. So far I think it's kind of nice. I don't think it's too dark or anything. I put what, like one little half pump that barely got my nose. I must have a big nose. Okay. 3 pumps. It's kind of messy. Oh no, I got it on the cap. Now I feel like this is so nice, I don't want to use it. Can I lick my finger and rub it off? Darn. Alright, well I already ruined that. But let's go, let's keep going. Yeah, my forehead. Oh, it is very yellow. Look at that. That's okay though. I never wear foundation that's actually my skin color, so why would this be any different, right? I don't really put foundation all over my face. I only really put it in the middle of my face because I just feel like the cheeks, oh no, I got it in my hair. Oh well. I just feel like I just put it where it's red, you know? Just cover up the redness. I'm not going like out or anything, I'm going to the movies today. I don't really need foundation on, but it's definitely yellow. It's really covering my face though. Like more than my Maybelline stuff does. I don't know, like do I just keep putting it on? Maybe it's not yellow, maybe it's just me. I guess I usually get foundation with pink undertones because I don't really know what I'm doing when I go to get face makeup, and I'm also buying my face makeup from Walmart, so it's not like I'm sitting in there color matching it to my face. I just grab a shade that looks like me. Okay. it's definitely covering like a lot. Like I have a lot of freckles and stuff on my face. I kind of didn't like it when I first put it on, and now I kind of do. I don't really know about this color though. It might be good for like the summer, but right now I'm still pretty pale because it's freaking 30 degrees every single day and it's April and I don't know why it's not getting warmer yet. But anyway, okay, this is it. This is the foundation. I don't think that's bad at all. I quite like it actually. It's really yellow, that's for sure. But I'm not complaining, this is free makeup. I feel pretty good. Now I'm gonna try this concealer. The only concealer I have ever used is some CoverGirl stuff that was $2 at Walmart. You know what color your freaking concealer should be. I don't know, lighter than your foundation. Like these dark circles are never getting covered up. You can put loads and loads of concealer on and they're still gonna be there. So, ooh, that's pretty cool. That is a huge applicator. Okay, I'm just gonna go for it, I guess. It kind of blends into my foundation. That's okay. I think this concealer color is more like what my foundation should be. But that's okay. Okay, so I'm just gonna blend this in. I mean, my face looks really good. I think that looks really good. Like I said, I think the foundation is a little yellow, but I think that concealer did a really good job covering the designer bags that I have under my eyes, so that is cool. Okay, next on to this translucent powder that everyone uses all over the world on every social media platform. Oh, it's got like this sticker on it. Ooh. Okay. Now how do I use it? Do I just shake it up? Let's see what that did. Oh god, it got everywhere. Okay. This is definitely loose powder. Okay, so I'm gonna take this Stand Beauty Blender and I'm just gonna go to town, I guess. I guess I'll start with my under eyes. Ooh. Like up close, I feel like it kind of looks cakey, but maybe that's because I don't really usually wear concealer every day. Maybe that is how it is supposed to look all the time. But just because I work 8 hours a day and I wake up at the freaking crack of dawn and I just try to put makeup on as fast as I can in 10 minutes before I get out the door, maybe that's why it looks different, but I think it's definitely like mattifying all my makeup. That's probably why everyone loves it, right? I think that looks good. Okay. Alright, well I'm just gonna be done with that. I think that is nice. Like I said, I'm not really going anywhere today. I'm going to see a movie, so I'm not really planning on wearing a lot of makeup, and I don't really wear a lot of makeup to begin with. So, yeah, I think this foundation looks really good. At first I was kind of uneasy about it because it was new and I have never used a really nice foundation. I've never used a really nice concealer. The nicest translucent setting powder I've ever used is this Cover FX illuminating setting powder. I'm not sure if that's comparable at all, but got that from Sephora, so that is the only thing I've really used. So I was not really sure how it was gonna look, but I think it looks pretty good. I was saying that I think it was too yellow, but I think it looks fine. So yeah, I definitely recommend signing up for this website. But yeah, I'm really interested to see if I receive anything else. I mean, I'm not really sure how it works. I guess I'm not the best source to be telling you to go out and be signing up for this website, but if I can get free makeup and I have 10 subscribers on YouTube and get free makeup, then I am sure any one of you who are watching, I am sure that you have more subscribers than me on YouTube, and I am positive if I can get free makeup, you can. So yeah, go out and try it. Let me know if it works for you. Like I said, disclaimer, it did take me like 3 months to receive this free makeup, so don't expect to sign up for it and then get it the next day. In fact, I'm not even sure I'm ever gonna get free makeup from this website ever again, but if I do, I'll let you guys know. I'll post another video. But yeah, thank you for watching, and if you use this website or if you have received anything from them before, let me know. I mean, this stuff seems legit. I don't think this is like fake. I'm pretty sure this is real. But again, what do I know? I'm just some dumb YouTuber trying to make a video, trying to get some subscribers. So why would you listen to me? I don't know, but here you go.